What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, please smash the subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today's Thanksgiving Day, so happy Thanksgiving. When you guys see this, it's already had passed, so I hope you guys enjoyed the holiday. Today, I'm actually going to be spending some time on the Saab because I have some time, and we're going to actually finish compounding and polishing the paint out. A couple weeks ago, I started to do it. I got half of the car done, and then all of my polishing pads just kind of went to crap, so I had to buy some new ones. And then with some other things happening and time just passing by, you know, here we are today. We're gonna finish it up with some fresh pads here in Illinois. And tomorrow we actually have our Saab event. So of all of you guys that are local to me that are gonna be attending, I look forward to meeting all of you. Or I had already met you. So this video will be including all of that meetup. So I enjoy and look forward to that. So here's the Saab as it stands. This side is completely untouched from compounding, and if you guys look at just the rear tail lights, you guys can see that this is shinier than the right side, and that's because I actually compounded this side out, and this side, as you can see, is a little bit more dull, some like, I guess, like some sun fade or whatever. So, and this is open, so don't worry about the lines being unmatched. So anyways, we're gonna finish this side off. I'm also gonna retouch up this side because it's not 100%, so we'll just knock it out real quick. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so you guys watched me do a compound and 2 rounds of polish and then a final wipe, and this paint is just nice and smooth now, which it wasn't 100% earlier. And again, the hood is not 100% perfect because the prep work that went into it should have been better, but I'll take it. This is nice and smooth now. It actually feels like a paint job with clear coat, where before it had so much feeling of overspray and just it was never polished or compounded out after the $700 paint job. So now we're starting to feel good. You can hear like a little bit of the areas that weren't touched here, but overall it looks good. Feels good too. Let's keep it going. I'm gonna knock out the driver's side real quick and then keep rocking it out from there. Oh my God, guys, look at this thing. Looks freaking brand new. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna do a shot like this, and then I'm gonna go back it in, do this side over here. This side's a little less perfect because we didn't do it yet. But this, nice and glossy, as you can see, and it just looks perfect. There's no more markings in the paint or anything like that, so it looks pretty awesome. So I'm gonna put this on hold. So I'm gonna put you guys on hold, knock out the back side, or the other side and the back, and then I'll keep you guys in the loop with the final product here. All right. Check it out, guys. Nice and shiny. Thing looks freaking beautiful. So I am done. It's too bad I didn't bring the ceramic coating materials here, because obviously at this point it's prepped for that, but I obviously don't have it with me. So there you guys go. Little walk around, nice and shiny, ready for tomorrow's Saab event. This thing looks freaking good for 200,000 miles and a $700 paint job. What do you think? Give this video a like if you agree. Stay tuned, guys, because tomorrow we will be at the Saab event. So I look forward to meeting a lot of you and, of course, sharing this experience with the rest of my viewers. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, so it is the next day here, and we are approaching the famous Ikea. So I'm gonna start to seek out a good spot for the meetup, unless somebody's already started the trend before I got here.
I see a Saab.
I see one Saab. I see a 9.5, but that may not be part of the crew.
Never know.
You just never know. So let's see what's happening. Enjoy, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this with us. So, all right, so we're at the Ikea here. We got a little turnout so far. I think we're a little early. We have a 1986, 1998, 2006 Aero, 2004 Arc, and of course right now currently my 04 Aero. So good turnout so far. We got some good projects. This 06 Aero we've had on the channel before. Gentleman has it completely tuned out. We have a BCB stage 3 tune. We got K&N. He's got an intercooler with DO88 piping. Of course, he's done I-back suspension all around. So this car is really nicely sorted out. Beautiful car. And we have another Saab pulling up now. So that's pretty sweet. And we'll give you guys some more updates as we go.
I get everything like, so what did you do to yours?
Whether or not I get a factory. I still haven't done a tune on it. I so want to do a stage 1 tune on it to boost me up.
Only maybe. I don't know.
All right. So we got a little update for you. We have quite a few cars here. Nice ones too. I'll start with this 2004. This is an Arc. It's actually currently at a stage 2 setup, but it's ready for stage 4. He just needs to do a couple other things, such as the pistons to go into that power spec realm, but it's ready to go. Decent shape. We got mine, obviously you guys know about that. We got an 04 Arc over here, stock. We got that other 06 95, which we talked about earlier. 98 convertible. 91, I think, convertible. Mid to late 80s. 91 9000S. And this is my favorite Saab here today. 1994. Second owner with the original window sticker. You guys can see how nice this car looks. MSRP was 40 grand back in 94. It's quite the car. 9000. 04 NG93, 2006 95. This one is fully loaded. We got ventilated and cooled seats. Really clean car here. Really nice. Beautiful car. So there's an update for you guys. Like I said, this 94 900 turbo is quite the car. This thing has barely any dings or anything on the car. It's just pristine. A subscriber from the channel, but he doesn't want to be on the channel, so we're keeping him off the channel. But anyways, he's nice enough after today's meet to bring over some tools. We're gonna drain the fluid out of the transmission, and we're gonna actually reset the levels, and hopefully we didn't destroy anything so far in the transmission. I don't think we did because it's running fine, but keep you guys posted here. All right, so I just took a shower in transmission fluid. But there's some good news. Is we got 99% of it in the container here, and it's just gonna continue to drip out. We'll let that all the way go, or go all the way. Everything is still nice and red, which is even better. And what's even cooler is we just checked out the drain plug, and there was no metal shavings or anything of sorts of debris that was on there. So that's a magnet. So if I was destroying anything internally on the transmission, I would suspect it would find its way onto here, and there isn't anything. So good thing for that. So just give that a few minutes and we'll check it all out. This adds an extra step. All right, so here we go. We got our 3 to 4 quarts of trans fluid there. Does that look dirty to you?
Kind of looks.
It's not burnt, is it?
No.
No, it's still red.
Yeah, it still smells good.
Still smells good? Yeah. Well,
It
so
doesn't smell burnt.
it doesn't smell burnt, and I also, when I did this the last time, I only cycled 6 quarts, or I cycled 8 quarts, and obviously we got 200,000 miles on the trans. So, all right, let's transfer this into the filler, and then we'll go ahead and put this thing back in the trans. Boys, we're backing her off the ramps here. We saved a little extra fluid. 2 things that I caught that I just learned is, one is you're supposed to have the engine running when you refill an automatic transmission. That's something we did not do the first time. And the second thing is I think we overfilled it. So I think not running it allows air bubbles to gather in the transmission. So when you run the transmission with the fluid filling up, it prevents that from happening. So live and learn on that. So we're gonna let this thing idle for a little bit. We'll take it for a ride and check all the levels. Obviously we are in gear and it seems to be fine, so that's a good thing. Keep you posted here. All right, so we're at the car wash place here. We're getting some smoke because it's obviously on the exhaust manifold, so we're gonna check everything. Car's running beautifully, and we're gonna pull the dipstick there and see if there's any pressure. Yeah, see, it's still pressurized, but it's not leaking.
No, it's full.
Well,
It shows full.
it shows full? Yeah, but it's not leaking out like it used to.
No.
See, this used to leak out. Alright. I think that initial was from whatever. Yeah, broke the system out. Alright, so that's a step in the right direction. Alright, so let's degrease the engine up and go from there. Alright guys, so last night went really well, and car's all set up, but we had a brake light come on, and I don't know, we went to go, I filled it up with brake fluid, and then I saw an extra spot of fluid on the ground yesterday morning when I woke up, and I was like, that wasn't there the day before. So when the brake light went on and I filled it up with fluid and I put 2 and 2 together, this morning I thought, wow, I must have a leaking brake line. So just so you guys can get a little idea, there is the brake fluid. So I'm on my way right now in an emergency, in a pinch, to get this brake line repaired so we can actually drive back to Jersey tomorrow. It's not like we're driving back to Jersey in 2 days, so stay tuned for that in the next episode, guys. I'll keep you posted. Have a good one.